Okay, we are here at Ludlow Cafe in Ludlow,
California.
California. There's two restaurants. There's this one, and then there's another one on the other side of the freeway, which is a Dairy Queen. Did not want to go to a Dairy Queen.
No.
I'd rather go to a local business establishment, which this is. Look at the ceiling.
Local small business.
A small business.
Much more fun. So let me tell you something about Ludlow.
Oh,
It's exciting. Ludlow was founded in 1882 primarily as a water stop for steam engines for the Southern Pacific Railroad. That's back when we had steam engines. And then the Santa Fe Railroad in 1897. And then I'm going to skip the baloney stuff because that stuff doesn't really matter. Then they discovered gold. There was a gold rush, and a small town named Rochester was built near the mines. It became called Stedman, and then, like everything, it petered out. So, some other little facts about Ludlow. Ludlow in 1913 consisted of 2 blocks of businesses. It had 2 general stores, 3 cafes, 1 pool hall, 1 barber shop, 2 rooming houses, a post office, and of course the Standard Oil Company office, railroad station, railroad, and houses. Water was actually brought in from the town of Water, which is now Newberry Springs, by rail car. In the 1930s, on April 1st, and it wasn't an April Fool's joke, a telegraph was received warning everyone in Ludlow to be prepared to evacuate because of the Amboy crater 20 miles away, and it had heavy plumes of black smoke coming out of the crater, and it could erupt at any time. And the most hilarious fact, until 1988, really isn't that long ago, the telephones had no dials. You had to wait for the operator in San Bernardino or Los Angeles to pick up the line to place a call out. So when calling into Ludlow, the operator needed to ring into the phone numbers, which were Ludlow 1, Ludlow 2, Ludlow 3, etc. And each one had to listen for their distinctive ring to identify which business they were ringing for. With cell phones, they've come a long way.
All right, here we are at Calico Ghost Town RV Park. We are on the upper part of the hill, and no one, I mean no one, is leveled. Since we have 2 cars here, the truck is over here at the side. San Bernardino County Sheriff did drive by and he said it was okay to park there. So we're good with that. And here is Walter's Charger. And it's a Scat Pack. Second one, the first one got stolen. We are so now leveled. We're high up here and very low in the front. Starling seems to be happy. It's 30 amps, water in, water out. Very low on this end. And it's all dirt. We're on 30 amps. And no one's leveled. No one.
Oh, finally he shows up. I even have a chair for you.
Actually brought my own. Okay, we're eating here at Calico House and Restaurant.
Not the official game mode,
You can't have the fried chicken.
Why?
They don't do it for large groups.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell Walter he's not allowed to have chicken fried steak.
You can have the chicken fried steak, no fried chicken. No fried chicken. Sorry. Sorry.
Was he able to get chicken fried steak?
Yeah, but no fried chicken.
Why?
No fried chicken.
I'm gonna have to do that.
No fried chicken. Yeah, sorry, no fried chicken.
Really?
We live on the Mississippi.
There's only 3 entrees, now there's only 2.
There's only 2. You only get 2 entrees. No fried chicken. No fried chicken.
Who said?
The waitress.
Oh, they don't have it?
Yeah. No, we missed it. Okay, we missed it.
Yeah, we missed the best
They
part.
just already took a good picture.
Yeah, but it still looks good.
I didn't bring my phone. I mean, my camera.
Well, you know, tomorrow.
That won't work.
We'll have a contest.
That's a beautiful deal with that little dip right there.
Yeah.
Is the place closed already?
Oh
Yeah, so 5
Close
o'clock.
at 5.
So this is a private
Just for
park
us.
now.
Yeah.
So we can roam up there? Oh.
Manana.
Well,
I
I
mean,
want to
you
do
can
it
walk up
now.
there, but
There's
you
no
can't do
people. Well, I can look.
Yeah.
We can look. Hello from historic Route 66 in California.
We're in beautiful downtown Barstow,
And our bank is right there.
right across the street. We've been there many times. Angel Ebel is the manager of the branch, and she's one of the best bankers you could ever deal with. I've never actually been inside of the bottle house.
Well, let's go inside the bottle house. This is the bottle house.
Hello.
You've never been in here? I've been
No.
in here.
Out of probably the 30 times I've been to Calico,
I've
never
been in.
inside the bottle.
We're gonna go walk to where the train is. I got my ramen noodle soup bag from the glass house. From the bottle house.
Thank
Thank you. Okay, this is why we don't ride this when we come here.
$11.
It's $11 for the 2 of us. Okay, I'm so glad it's included with our tour.
Now, folks, have a great rest of your day down here in Calico. Of course, thank you guys.
These two, we need to stand right over there. It's not going to turn out as nice as yours. Thank you. And he stands right there. I didn't take the picture yet.
Because the oblivious guy won't.
Yes, there's always an oblivious one. Okay.
Too late now. It is exciting. I'm sure Walter knows. Are you going to give the tour?
Don't forget the mine. Okay.
Folks, car number 1, right behind me. It's the best one if we derail. Feels like a roller coaster, folks.
Lean beef.
Lean beef and lean beef. Hey, there you go. Just don't talk to
We read his heart doctor for the first time.
Howdy, folks. This is Hard Rock Harris. I'm here with Mrs. Annie Rickard, 2 miles from Calico's gateway. We would like to welcome aboard the Calico and Deso Railroad.
Y'all please stay seated. We take a ride together on the backcountry.
I don't think I knew where to go with that.
We go around this first curve. Notice the highest cabins. Built along the
I know they have to give you this
As soon as they appear, they were ideal for protecting us from the hot summer and cold winters here at Calico. And not for the independent kind, who like to fend for themselves. Or for any miners staying in boarding houses, and for moderate retreats, like home cooking.
I've got my
with almost 1,000 actually living in the town side of Calico. After the mining ended, Calico really was a ghost town. That's to say, it was mainly abandoned. But it was restored and reconstructed by the Knott family in the 1950s. Back then, they had workers actually
In California, where the famous 20-wheel teams were ever used.
Now, if y'all look over at Main Street, you can see the same view we did as we ventured into town for supplies and relaxation. There are actually 5 buildings on Main Street that have been standing since the 1880s, when it was a bustling place.
Calico was a real town for about 20 years. We had a post office, school, courtroom, newspapers, and a slew of stores. Not to mention quite a few saloons, I can promise you.
Clean black light in the showcase to highlight what would otherwise be pretty bland-looking materials. Modern miners use ultraviolet light to sort specimens, but in the glory days of the Maggie mine, only the sure knowledge and
No, they want us to walk down and up again. I'm not doing that.
No, skip it. We don't need to go to the schoolhouse that badly.
Sweet shop.
We're gonna walk over there right now.
Got it. Thank you.
Baby.
Hey there, you gonna let Pappy crush a penny for you?
Coffee and tea and pottery. Let's go to the pottery. Or you can sit out here. Here we are, Peggy Sue's 50s Diner on Route 66. We're having dinner here with Dan and Gail.